So folks, you're probably wondering, where are we? We are in Tampa Bay. We are on
Tampa Bay Boulevard.
Yeah, we're on Tampa Bay Boulevard. So it was such a nice day, and my co-host / sidekick wanted to check out this area because, believe it or not, we've never been down here before. And it's so pretty. If you have the money, you can buy something really nice. So I hope you enjoy a little bit of our drive while we drive through the area. I think I like looking at the houses more than I do the water. They're so pretty. Makes you want to dream. Do another side view so you get a better view.
Wow, they are nice homes. I never thought they would have the old homes lined up on Tampa Bay. It's amazing.
Switch it to the front. I think this is a much better view. So we're going towards Inner Bay Boulevard.
At the light, take a slight right to stay on Bayshore Boulevard. Then make a U-turn.
So we're on Inner Bay Boulevard right now. It's so nice down here. I've never totally explored like the Tampa, Clearwater, St. Petersburg area, but it is so nice here. And look at this. You could tell. Look at this. Remember I was always telling you about horseback riding? That's rich folk right there. Where if you could board your horses. And we're at Ballast Point Park.
Yeah.
Right there. So we're going to stop off at Ballast Point Park. We've scored some handicap parking. We're gonna check stuff out. Let's go. Okay, folks, believe it or not, we're down by the river, but we're not in a van down by the river. We parked at a nearby park, and so I just thought I'd share some more of the scenery with you. It's so pretty here. You know, just the locals just coming down and reading a book, having a chat with their friends, walking a dog. And this is the view they get to enjoy. Kind of reminds you a little bit of Miami. Or it could be any city. I mean, it just depends. Now, in the distance, if you see all those cranes and stuff, that's their port. And that's the maritime right over there. Yeah, I literally just seen a fish jump out of the water. It's not a flying fish, but it's kind of cool. I don't know if you were able to see that or not, but it's kind of interesting. Good pelicans here, and they can. I know. Did you see that? I caught that one. Yeah. Okay, we'll do a little bit of walking. It truly is a warm day here. We were talking, seems like it's more.
It's nice, Eddie. It's nice over here.
Yeah. You know, Kirkland Airport Base would have been
Yep, that would have been cool. No kidding.
So,
Cooler than San Antonio.
this is protected mangrove habitat. And it says in order to protect the resources, mangrove trimming or alternative activities may require authorization. So, I have no idea what a mangrove is, but that must be it right there. There are homeless in this park, but I think during the day it's, you know, with a lot of people out, you feel a little bit safe.
This site is part of a habitat restoration project to rebuild the natural structures of the coastal ecosystem. Volunteers through the Mayor's Beautification Program have worked in partnership with the City of Tampa and other community partners to remove litter.
Okay, so we're just kind of taking a walk through the park. I keep reminding my sidekick slash co-host that we can't stay too much longer because of the traffic. Because around 9 is when it slows down, but then it starts picking back up at 3. So this is just so pretty here. I mean, if you're a photographer, you can just think of the cool shots you can take. And in the distance, there he is, folks, for your viewing pleasure. It's my co-host. Any words? You know he always has a few.
Yeah, because we've been here, we grew up here, left for years, and we came back, and I'd never been to Tampa Bay. This is the first time. It's actually pretty pristine. Even you would think they would put like a giant boardwalk of shops and houses or, you know, and restaurants over here, you know, near the downtown district, but they don't have that. So they've kind of kept it pristine. It's pretty wild. It's all like 15th century going into the jungles.
I can't with you today. I just can't. Okay, so we are on Bayshore Boulevard, the Boulevard of Dreams, on our way to 75. Oh, we just passed the Ritz-Carlton residences. That's crazy. You can live in a Ritz-Carlton? Oh my gosh. So we're making a left on West Bay to Bay Boulevard. People not paying attention. So we're going west on Bay to Bay Boulevard. Looks like we are on our way home, so I'm going to end this travel adventure here. I want to thank you for coming along. There will probably be more Tampa adventures in our future. I have went to several cemeteries, but those will not be shown for quite a while. But in the meantime, I will do what I can to give you some more travel adventures. There's just so much here to see. We tried to get to the Titanic exhibit, but I've got it scheduled for tomorrow, and no, I'm not coming back just for that. So we've got vouchers for another time. Thank you for watching. So long for now.
They got the same banks. They got Bank of America, Region Banks, South State Insurance Company. It's small. Compared to Orlando, it's small. They got, look.
Yeah.
Okay, folks. Just some more sightseeing here. That's the road. In the distance, there looks like there's a cruise ship or somebody's personal yacht. No, that's Royal Caribbean. So we're passing Port Tampa Bay. That'll be something we'll have to explore. Greetings, folks. We just went on a little adventure through Tampa Bay. We got to see a little bit of the parks, the waterways, downtown, and now we're on our way back. This is a caveat. There he is, folks, in the driver's seat. Anyway, for medical reasons, we're going to be making a few more trips to Tampa. I won't go into details, but yeah, today was a medical appointment, so I have to have a procedure which will result in being monitored for the next year. So we'll be taking you along on some travel adventures while we're in the city. Might as well take advantage of it while we can. Anyway, your prayers would be appreciated. Or put me in your thoughts. Good vibes, whatever. Anything would be appreciated, folks, for both me and my co-host. As always, I wish you the best. Take care.